Congratulations, you finally made it to Japan, but you arrive in Tokyo only to find yourself at a loss when it comes to the incredibly complex Japanese train system. But fear not, because by the end of this video, you will be ready to take on the Japanese trains all on your own. Let's go over the very basics first. How to buy tickets and pay. So there are two types of tickets you'll need to know about. One are conventional paper tickets, and the other are IC cards. You'll be able to buy both of these at pretty much any of the ticket vending machines that you'll find right outside the ticket gates at any given station. Most of these machines will have an English toggle. Press that button and then you should be good to go. You can choose the destination if you're using a paper ticket, or you can charge up your IC card. IC cards come in many different skins, but they're all essentially the same thing. You charge it up at a machine, then it holds a balance. When you tap the card, it will begin your trip, and when you tap at your destination, it will automatically deduct the amount for your trip. If you're in Japan for more than a few days, I highly suggest that you get yourself one of these IC cards. You can use these cards for riding buses and also paying in stores like konbinis around the country. But make sure that you have enough charge on your card. Otherwise, you'll get the red light of shame when you're trying to exit the ticket gate. Okay, so you know how to buy these now, but how do you really get around? Well, in short, Google Maps is your friend. Type in your destination and it will show you all the train lines you need to take, departure times, platform numbers, alternate routes, and even more. Most train lines are color-coded, so it makes it quite easy to find the one you're looking for. But wait. Japan Rail is the big old train company for most of Japan, but there are still plenty of other lines run by other companies. If you're staying within the JR network, it's often cheaper to take complex routes because you only pay for the total distance, not separate charges for each line that you ride. Also, you'll need to know a little bit about the different types of trains on each line. Local trains will stop at each station on the line. Rapid trains will stop at only the more major stations along a line, good for going long distances. Then there are limited express and special rapid trains, which will sometimes require a separate fee and potentially even a seat reservation. Shinkansen bullet trains are the most notable of these, and they require an additional ticket and a reserved or non-reserved seat fare. Now, some of you watching might be like, I have a JR pass, so I don't care about half of this. To which I would say, yeah, kind of. JR isn't the only player in the game, so if you're gonna be riding on non-JR lines, you're gonna have to cough up some yen. Take a look at these links for some more information. So what about when you're inside a train? Most trains these days have screens with multilingual information on upcoming stops and upcoming connecting lines, etc. But if you get onto one without a screen, you're gonna have to look at a map. Fortunately, these maps usually have no manji writing, so you should be fine. The train conductor should be announcing each stop as it comes up, and if you can't catch what they say, then you can peek your head out and look for some signs on the platforms. Now, God forbid something goes wrong, you'll have to ask for some help at a station, and the station staff are always really helpful and friendly. While some of the staff might speak English, you'd be better off, I think, learning some key phrases that you can use in a pinch. So check the link in the description for those helpful phrases. And of course, if nothing else is working, don't be afraid to pull out Google Translate and put it to work. So that is your crash course on the Japanese train system. I hope that you found this information helpful, and if you have further questions, put them down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Japan content coming soon. Thanks for watching. Arigato. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a massive crow. It was about this big. Jesus. Heart rate spike of the day, I guess.